How's it going, everyone? Larry here with the Farmstead Way, and we got something really cool that we're going to be getting into today. Erica from Erica's EDC sent me another box of knives. Now, I just want to make a disclaimer since I didn't really make it clear in the last video. We have a friend today. I did not pay for any of these knives. These knives were a gift to me, so Erica does not have any sort of box that you can pay for and she sends you knives. These were all given to me. The last knives that she sent were given to me, okay? And none of these are for resale. These are for me to use. I've been using the one that she gave me, the Dutch Bushcraft knife. I think it is the Bush Friend 2000, if I'm not mistaken. And obviously, I mean, she had this thing nice, sharp, and shiny, and I've been using the heck out of it. I bought a Scout Carry sheath for this on Amazon. It's kind of like a universal sheath, and it works just fine. The sheath that came with it was a little too dangly, and when I sat down in the truck, it kind of jammed up, but this has been really nice. But what's exciting about this is she said that with some of the knives that are in here, I'm gonna immediately ditch this one. So let's tear into it. And she threw a couple of things in here, so I'm curious to see. Now, another thing with this, I am not a knife expert, okay? So I know in the last one I had that SE, I pronounced it easy, and I had the case sod buster, which I had no idea what it was called. Thank you guys for the information, but like I said, I am not a knife expert, so I don't know all the names, I don't know all the models, I don't know all the steels. All I know is what is going to be practical for me based on the way it feels in my hand and based on how, well, just practical. If it's some crazy, weird, tactical, fancy, artsy-fartsy knife, it's not going to be very practical for blue-collar work, for farm work, garden stuff, etc. And she told me to be very careful because, like I said, these knives are extremely sharp. And also, you have to forgive me for being horribly filthy. We have been working on a stable, barn stable, I guess that's what you can call it, for the ponies. So I'm covered in dirt. So let's see what we got in here. Sweet. So first of all, we got a little goodie bag. So let's save that. So here we got a really cool, looks like a EDC sheath. I don't know if it's just a pocket organizer. It's probably just some kind of pocket organizer. So some really cool stuff if it's gonna focus. She sent me another Leatherman pouch because I constantly carry a Leatherman, and she said mine was getting worn out. Now this, I think, comes with the tactical Leatherman, so we're putting that to use. Throw that down. She sent me, let's see what we got, some paracord, I'm guessing in case I want to do some lashing with these straps she made. Some Scout Carry straps that she made. Really, really cool. Looks like we got some, heck yeah, we got some stickers now. We have an Erica's EDC sticker. Another Slater Leatherworks. I'll have to find a cool place to put these. I'll probably stick them on a piece of gym equipment so people can always see them. All right, and she sent me this thing. Now, if this is what I think it is, an NGM Co. USA, if I'm not mistaken, Erica said that these are extremely sought after, and this pry bar is like $300. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this in that fits in there perfectly. And that's just gonna stay with me for my work stuff. All right, and just, it looks like we've got some ties, and I believe, I'm gonna look dumb, this is probably, yeah, so this is blade balm. So this is a balm or an oil solution that you can put on blades to keep them from rusting. I definitely need to do that on some of my blades. All right, so we're through the little goodie bag. Let's start digging into the good stuff. Like I said, I have no idea what she sent, so. Okay, I think these are meant for the kids. So she sent, looks like another case sod buster. And then she sent me this little sweet little case penknife. And then, oh, okay, Dwayne Knoll from Dry Creek Wrangler School has this exact one. So you've got this little case pen knife, and it is coated in blade balm. And you got a regular blade, and then you got one with a sheep's foot on it. So it's got this cut tip on it. So that way you have a sharp blade, but you don't have to worry about stabbing yourself. Dwayne Knoll from Dry Creek Wrangler School uses these, and he cleans out his pipe and stuff with it. So these are cool little knives. So with the other case sod buster, now I have two identical ones. I'm going to give one to my daughter and one to my son when they're old enough. So this is really cool stuff to be passed down. All right, so geez, she sent me all kinds of stuff. Let's get into this one. Like I said, I have no idea what's in here, and hopefully I don't slice myself on camera. That'd be funny. Oh yeah, check this out. Look at that thing. I like kind of the asymmetrical look to it. And I think these are all custom made. This is a JG craft shop and a really, really nice leather sheath. So I'm gonna put that back. Sweet. All right, let's go for the next small one. Let's see what we got here. Oh, sweet. She sent me a, is that just a safety? Yeah. A really nice spider coat, or that's a Benchmade. That is a really nice, geez, she really hooked me up. So yeah, it's got a nice lock on it, and I think it's got some sweet bearings in it. A nice Benchmade folder, which I haven't carried a regular folder in forever because I normally just carry this, but I might have to start carrying something like this. Just something that's a little bit easier. It's gonna be nice and sharp. So sweet, we got a nice Benchmade knife. All right, let's see what we got here. I kind of feel like this is how Christmas is, where you're like blasting through the presents too fast and you want to try to take your time. Sweet, let's check this out. That's cool. So it's a PBK, and it's got this really cool, that feels really good. Really tight sheath. So really cool plastic scales. Now knives like these, I'm really curious to see how the screws hold up, because I had a CRKT that was a folder and it was different size screws. I'm just curious how well these hold on. I normally liked pinned blades, so I'm guessing with how nice these knives are, I'm not gonna have much trouble with screws backing out. So like I said, PBK with a nice little Scout Carry band on it. All right, I wanna save that big one for last. All right, so let's get into this and see what we got. I think this is one she sent me the video of. So we got a nice another Scout Carry style knife, another PBK. Really cool. More of a textured scale, relatively thick spined. This is EDC RV2. Really, really cool. That fits really good in my hand. Awesome knife. So, all right, time for the last one. Now, before we get into this last one, I just want to thank everyone for love and support on the channel. We're just got over 26,000 subscribers, which is crazy because I just looked in January, I was at 10,000 subscribers, so I've over doubled my account. So I just want to thank you all so much for the love and support. especially for a channel that kind of goes back and forth and back and forth. With the Farmstead way, I didn't want it to be any one sort of deal. I wanted to have fitness stuff, homesteading stuff, EDC stuff, everything that's blue collar and just me. Whether it's working out, dealing with nasty ponies that need washed up, and everything in between. So, all being said, thank you so much for the love and support. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about it. Okay, is there 2 in here? Jeez, Erica. This is the one she sent me the video of. It's another PBK. This has got a really cool, almost like a Native American design on it, and a really cool sheath for it. Feels really, really good. Take a look at that cool textured scale, and it goes to a smooth scale. I have a CRKT folder that's got this kind of like fossilized texture to it. So that one's really, really cool. That's a really beautiful knife. Last one. And then we got another Scout Carry knife. Oh, that's cool. Looks like another PBK with textured handles. Cool drop point tip on it. Really, really cool. Once again, I'm curious to see how... I've never seen Phillips head screws on a knife blade before. Huh. Well, if it works, it works. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really, really cool. Not yet, stay in the truck. We're done. You're still filming, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's all good. Yeah, my daughter's yelling at us in the back. She's been outside all day, so she's ready to go in. Oh, plus this whole cool box of goodies. So once again, thank you so much, Erica, for sending me all this cool stuff. I don't know what to say because I know these knives are really expensive, and I just want to let you know that I'm very, very appreciative, because I would not have had the money on my own to afford, especially this wide array of knives. And it's just really cool because I use fixed blade knives all the time. And like I said, been using this one so much it's already starting to patina, and I've already got some chips in it. So I'm excited to try out some of these custom blades that you sent me. What can I say other than thank you? If you've not subscribed to Erica's EDC, please go check her out. She's on Instagram, YouTube. She has a lot of cool information, and she has taught me a lot about knives. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot about steels, about blades and stuff, and she'll send me these 5-minute like audio messages with all this information, and I'm just like, teach me what you know, and I'm taking all these notes down and stuff. I'm really excited to get to use these knives and to try them. So thank you so much, Erica, for your generosity, and for especially stuff that I can give to my kids. So I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you all for sticking around this long. Look forward to using all these videos, and thank you all for hanging out with me here on the homestead. This is Larry Ben with the Farmstead Way, and you all take it easy.